Hey everybody, welcome to part 2. I have not changed or moved anything. I haven't touched anything, so we're starting part 2 right now. Okay, I've got my little rag there, little wash cloth, just in case we need it. Okay, these earrings are plastic. I'm going to put them into crafts. This is different. I'm not sure what this is made of. It's really cute. It's got one of those barrel clasp. It's got seed beads. I'm pretty sure this is mother of pearl. Isn't that cute? I like that. I'm going to put it in mystery. But if you're interested in it, let me know. Okay, we've got more earrings. More earrings. This says, what's it say? This will go straight to crafts. It says love. Okay. Pull some stuff out of here. Oh, Santa's. How cute. Look at those. I'll put those over there in the earrings. Oh, this is cute. It's a little wooden present. So we're still hanging on to Christmas. Okay, I'll show you those things again when we go through the earrings. Okay, this is pretty. This is pretty and substantial. It's heavy. Pull this back through. I'm not sure about this one. This is very pretty. It is, well, goodness. It's pretty, even though it's magnetic. I don't see a mark on it anywhere. This would be beautiful for someone for Valentine's Day. This is in excellent shape. And look at the chain. The chain is really cool. Isn't that pretty? Let me measure it for you real quick. Let's get that open. Now I know it's easy to open it. It just toggles back through. I knew there was something on here. This says made in Korea. This must be an older piece. So this is right at 8 inches. That's a wonderful size. This is beautiful. Wipe it up a little. Look how pretty it is. Okay, this is more of a vintage piece, but it is definitely for sale. Put that over there. Okay, let's see what this is. It has a nice lobster claw. Oh, these are pretty. This is kind of cool. It's like a chevron. Yeah, this is very nice. It's a lighter, kind of a cross between a silver and a gold tone. It's not faded that I can see. It's just not super gold. But it is gold. You can see the gold. Very, very pretty. Okay, that's a longer one. That's probably about 22 inches, I would say, by looking at it. Okay. Oh, we have another magnet. Pearl. Very pretty. Sure they're not real. Nope. Let's go ahead and put this one into mystery, because it's even better than that other one. Isn't that nice? Okay. Very pretty white beads. A little bit even longer and smaller than the other set we put in there. Okay, let's pull these out. I see some more sterling right there. Oh, I got another bracelet. Wonderful. I'll add some of these to mine. Okay. Oh, I have to put that in the craft, but that's cool. Crafting we will go. Okay, these are cute. But these little pearls have seen better days. Hold on here. Yep, they're starting to peel. So we're going to put that into crafts. Okay, this one. Oh, that's unusual. This one is actually made on a wire. But it is, yeah. So that'll go to craft. Okay. I like these. I don't toss these. I think these are really pretty. They're nice. Yep. So that'll go with the bracelets. Another Shambhala. It says friend. I'm going to put that into mystery. Let me shorten it, make sure it works first. I think it does. Sometimes when they're new, they just are hard to pull. There we go. Yes, I will put that into mystery. That is cute. Okay. Oh, that's sweet. Got a little band there. See if there's anything in there. I don't see anything on that side. Nope. Must be just a costume piece. Let's see. Sounds like a costume piece. Where is it? Oh. This one is a size 6 1/4. So let me look at this. This will go to crafting. It's got a couple of little stones missing. Oh, this is pretty. This is a little enamel piece. There is nothing on the inside. It is small. It is a size 5, and it does have some wear on the back. Isn't that cute, though? It's got a stone missing. Crafting it will go. Oh, this is sweet. It's an earring. Earrings we'll do later. I've got another one. I've got another one of these Italian bracelets. And it will, these panels will go on my bracelets. It's got a flip-flop and a cross. Just love it. Okay, I'm trying to pull stuff out of here that's not in the tangles without tearing them up. Okay. Those are cute earrings. Oh, there's one. Oh, it's a trolley. There's one. I'm sure the other one's in here. I bet you it is. Okay. There's a lot of earrings in here. Whole lots. Okay. We have what I do believe is some more sterling. I'm not sure. This might be, let me look, guys. I don't know what that is. Looks coppery. It's kind of cool, though. Isn't that neat? So I'll set it over here because most of those are pretty worn. Okay, some more earrings. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. Okay. I might have to do like some people do and just go through and untangle everything because I've got a huge... Oh, this is pretty. It's real pretty. Isn't that nice? Got the chevron. It's in good shape. It's lightweight. Let's see if we got everything on there. Yep, it's not super fancy or anything, but it's pretty. Okay, very light, but very pretty. The chain's in great condition. Set that there. I'm gonna start pulling out stuff. Earrings. Told you this is an earring lot. Some of them are very interesting. Earrings. Here's a bracelet. It's caught. It's open. This is pretty. It's caught on something here. Do I dare? Oh, okay. We have a ring that is very pretty. It is a BPOE, which is the Elks. And it has a little wear, but it is, it's nice because it actually has all the stones, so. BPOE. It's not IB, it's just the BP. But that's really pretty. Little wear, but not much. If anybody's in the Elks, that would be for you. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Is that an earring or what is that? I don't know. Set it over there. Remove some of this stuff. Okay. This is the one I wanted to see. This one is Kenneth Cole, New York. Of course. Get off of there. This is really pretty. It is showing some wear, but it almost gives it enough character to still like. Look at the stones. I think this was a tag. Look at the stones. The wear that I'm seeing is right through, let's see, right through here. You got some of the more coppery gold coming through, but I would wear it. And the Kenneth Cole is on here. So I'm not going to toss this. I think it's cool. Let's set it over here. Now this is fab. This has got to be, is this a designer? Hold on. This is, no way. No way. It's a Monet. Look at the back. Look at the front. This thing is beautiful. Love it. Yeah. Monet's going over here with me. Okay. Let's see. We are at... Oh, we're doing good on time. These earrings are unbelievable. I've never seen so many. Never. I mean, they're every kind of earring. Christmas. Everything. There's a horse. Craziness. Let's look at this. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh my. Now, if this is not 925, I'm going to be mad. Okay, let's look. It says something, but I can't see it. It says something. Is that 925? Man, it's blurred. And you can't even see that. I'm pretty sure this is, I don't know. It looks worn. Hold on, guys. I'm looking. I just don't know. I don't. Okay. It's cleaning up. Let me show you. Oh my gosh. This thing is gorgeous. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's sterling. I'll put it over in the test pile, guys. This is beautiful. Look at this. Oh my gosh. But it looks worn back there. These are baguettes. Some type. Okay, Presidium Gem Tester, on you go. Okay, set that there for a minute. Now here's another one of those, I don't know what they were with this, so I'm going to put it back into mystery. Because there's nothing wrong with them. Someone might like those sea beads. Okay. Earrings. Come on, I want some good necklaces. Come on, guys. Okay. I'm going to sneeze every time. Excuse me. My gosh. Okay, what in the world is this? Okay. Now, this is cool. I don't know who made this. This is so cool. Hold on in. I'm going to test that stone here in just a second. Okay. Come on. This is beautiful. Look at this. Isn't that amazing? I'm not sure. Those crystals are beautiful. There's no name on the back of these. And there is no name up here. This is fabulous. This is nice. I like this. It's in good condition. The silver just, like I said, it just needs a wipe. It's even in good condition up around the neck. Yeah, that looks great. Fabulous. Okay, you guys, this is exciting. Let's test this and see if we've got... Turn it so you can see. See if it's a stone or glass. Come on. Looks like glass. That is the other stone. Whoops. Shh. Calm down. I can't see. Let me test this for garnet real quick. It doesn't seem to be moving. Yeah, it did. It just did. So these are definitely garnets. Oh, wow. Yep. Sometimes I get in between the metal and the, yeah, that one actually went up. The marcasite itself seems to go up like to iolite all the way to the edge. And then this one, that is my birthstone. It's awfully small. I do mean small. This baby is tiny. So we'll test that along with the other sterling. I'll just leave this on for a minute. Hopefully we'll have to use it. Love it. Okay, let's start pulling out more stuff. Yeah, every time I open one of these, I get so stopped up. I was probably already stopped up, and then it made it worse. Okay, I see some stones here. here's this, and this is going straight into crafts. This actually has a tag on it. This is, sorry I'm stopped up, guys, New York. Sometimes these, like these knotted beads here, let's see, will be marked sterling on the edge of this clasp. It's open now. Let's see. There's no edge there. This is beautiful. Okay, I don't see any mark. Let's look on the back. I don't see any mark on the back. It's just a beautiful, there we go. No, well, I'll fix that. Just beautiful dark beads that are definitely knotted in between. Let me see if the Presidium says anything, if they're glass or if they're stone. Let's see here. No, it doesn't show anything. Just a bead. Just a bead, guys. I don't understand what this is doing. Okay. But it is nice. Has a beautiful clasp here. They are knotted in between. Very pretty. And I think I'll put this in mystery. This would be a nice one. Okay. Next, we have more pearls. I love pearls. I love pearls. We have earrings galore. Get off of there. Come on. There's that. This is a vintage clasp on these. These are definitely not real. These are hand knotted. These are beautiful. Let me check these to see if they are starting to peel. You know, I don't see any peeling. I'm going to go ahead and put these in a mystery because these are nice. Nice long set. Okay. Have a wooden set here. This is pretty. There's nothing wrong with it. It's got a nice clasp. Let's put this into crafts. Somebody might really like working with those beads. Those wooden beads. This is what I'm trying to get out of here. We have a citrine, an amethyst, and a clear quartz crystal, which I'm probably going to keep if I can get it out of here. Come on. I got it. Unless someone is super interested. Let me get them untangled. Let's see what's going on here. These are vintage. Does it say anything on this clasp? No. Not that I can see. It's just a regular clasp, but boy, it's pretty. Okay, come on. Let's get you untangled. We're getting there. Okay. Huh. Almost there. Yeah, I think this is a pretty good box, really. I mean, I don't have a whole bunch. I haven't pulled out a bunch of junk, which I have seen in the past. You know, you just never know what's coming in these big boxes. You just don't know. Okay, this is neat. Okay, what we got here is this triple strand on vintage bezel here. Just turned around. Yeah, vintage bezel, and then we have these three here. Isn't that gorgeous? Yes, this is going in my stash. That's sterling. I mean, that is not sterling. None of this is sterling. But you know what? I don't care. It's gorgeous. I haven't seen one like this. This is really neat. Okay, I'm going to set that back over here by the Monet. Okay. We're moving right along here. Every time you hear that, that's another earring. That's not an earring. Well, here's a nice vintage gold necklace. Just the chain. I'll save that over here. I'm always looking for gold. I don't have a lot. When I get it, I use it. Okay. There's, oh, that's pretty, and it is bent. Okay, that'll go in crafts if I can ever get it out. Okay, whoops. Not too bad. Okay, let me try to get this big guy out. I don't know if I can. There's that. These mesh and this. That will go to crafting. Wow. This is all bent, but this is really, really pretty. I'm so sorry. That is so precious. Well, let's put it in craft. Maybe somebody can take it apart and make it all better. Okay, that goes there. I think some of these other earrings might be sterling. We shall see. But you know, these are coming out pretty good. The earrings. I mean, the necklaces. They aren't too bad. I think this is caught. There we go. Now that might very well be gold filled. Not gold, but gold filled. And it should say if it is. And it doesn't say anything. I'll put it over there with that sterling pile though. This is pretty. Okay, this is a pretty set of pearls with a... Oh, okay. I see. We're just crooked here. Okay, this has a heart. And it says... Carol Lee. Isn't that sweet? I love her stuff. Her, his, whoever. Okay, let me straighten it out because this is beautiful. This is really pretty. Let's see, so that would go there and there. That means that has to come down through there. Did that do it? Oh, one more time. One more again. And then let's go this. No, let's go this way. Let me get there we go. It is beautiful. Move over. Move over. This is gorgeous. Look at this. Wait a minute. Got it backwards. I've got it backwards. Let's put it like this. Do we have any bad beads? Oh, there's a couple. And this is in excellent shape. So we've got some beads right here in the center that are turning. Isn't that awful? But yeah, she makes some beautiful jewelry. And then the Carol Lee is on there. That'll have to go to crafts. I'm sorry. I'm sad about it. Something fell. Hold on. Of course it was an earring. Of course it was. Okay, here's the other earring. That's the gold hoop. Now we've got a key. This is pretty. I'm going to look at it really good to see if we have anything missing, and we do. There are some stones missing. There's no maker mark or anything. That's okay. We'll put that in crafts. Okay, we are getting down to some of these little earrings I'm going to set over to the side like the little studs because they'll get lost in the shuffle. Some of them look really nice. Okay. This is pretty. Oh, wow. This is real pretty. I don't know what this is, though. I don't know if that's a T. Yeah, I think so. Okay, these are ceramic beads. And this is ceramic. The T and a yellow rose. This is gorgeous. And it's just strung on. Oh, that's pretty. Not very big. That's really, really pretty. These beads are fabulous. So there's the hat. Earrings. Earrings. Now, what is this? This is cool. And this is not old. What is this? This is so lightweight, it's ridiculous. These are these plastic? Yes, I think these are plastic beads. But it's cool. I love these beads, the shape. This has got the faux pearls. It is really pretty. It's like a faux older turquoise, I do believe. This is an excellent shape. I will put it over here to the side. Wow, this is different. This has a fold-over clasp. Wabi. I don't know if I've ever seen one on a necklace that I remember anyway. I think this might be Korea. What is this? Let me check it. Let me check it. These are plastic beads, but they are very vintage. This is very vintage looking. And there is nothing on here. And each one of these has a little silver bead in between. It does have a little bit of wear. So I'm going to put that into crafts, but it's kind of cool. Kind of cool. I bet you this is the Monet that goes with that bracelet. What do you bet? I know it is. Yep. Look at. Wow. Fabulous. Not that I would wear those, but they go with the set. Okay. Found the trolley car. Let me show you these. These are darling. Just darling. And we have trolleys here in my little hometown. But these are so sweet. Let me get them on here so they won't fall off. Little gold tone trolleys. Those are darling. I'm gonna put those over here. I like those. Oh, weird. Okay. This red is pretty. I don't know if I've ever seen these in red. This is another hematite. I like this. I don't know why. Maybe because it's like M&M's. Yeah, I saw this. This is nice. This is cool. M&M's on steroids. There we go. Okay, earrings, earrings, earrings. Come on, I want to see something really cool. Besides really cool earrings. Okay. Now, that is cute. Plastic, resin. Just darling. Okay, let me get this out of here. If I keep sneezing, hold on. I'm so sorry. Every time. I'm putting these into crafts. There's a hand here. It's awfully tiny. I'm going to set it over here in case we find the other one. Okay. Earrings, earrings. Earrings for days. Let's get them out of the way because they do kind of attach themselves. It's an elephant with ears that are sticking out. Oh my God. It is so cute. I don't know what it is. It's not a pin. I think this was like a fetish on top of something. I don't know. But he is absolutely darling. He has red eyeballs. Look at him. Look at him. Oh my God. He's darling. He is trunk up for sure. And he's sweet. He looks almost like Dumbo, the flying elephant. Come here. Look at his ears. Oh. Okay, he'll be sitting here watching the bracelets. I love stuff like that. It's so cute. Now this is pretty. This is brass tone. Very lightweight, but it's pretty. It's got a heart on it. I'll set that over there. Oh my gosh. Okay, the 60s are knocking and they want their bracelet back, necklace back. It's not a bracelet. Oh God. That is so cool. And it's got that. Yeah, this is vintage big time. Love it. Yeah, I started out with it just doing really vintage. That's all I wanted. But then I like couture stuff, and this is so cool. There is no maker mark on this one. I don't know if anybody would want it or not. So cute. Let's put this in